Hey guys, welcome back to Digit.in, and today we are unboxing the new Realme 1 phone. It's a new sub-brand by Oppo, and it intends to take on the phones in the mid-range market. So let's find out what's inside it. So let's tear through the plastic. And let's see what's in the box. So this is a new brand by Oppo and it's called Realme, and inside this, here's the phone. Oops. And wow, it looks pretty different from all other phones that I have seen. So it's the diamond cut finish that we had seen in the Oppo F7. You get a single camera at the back. There's a 6-inch Full HD display, and yeah, so I'll put it on, I'll turn it on and keep it aside while we check what's inside the box. So inside, I don't know what this is, random piece of paper. You get in this one, this is a SIM card remover. Oh, there's a transparent case as well for the phone. You get the quick guide and some more information, right? Inside you get the charger and you get the charging cable. So this one still uses a older micro USB port, and yeah, the Realme 1 has been unboxed. So I will quickly go through the specs. So this one has a 6-inch Full HD 18:9 display. There's 13 megapixel camera at the back and 8 megapixel camera up front. So Realme says that it uses AI features at the camera at the back. So it has trained the camera to recognize Indian faces, so to enhance the faces while you're taking photos. Front camera is also enhanced by artificial intelligence and machine learning. But other than that, inside you get a Mediatek Helio P60 processor. It has 8 cores, it goes up to 2 gigahertz, and there's 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So this phone is pegged to be a competition to the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and we'll have to find out how well that is, how well tuned this phone is. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is clearly one of the better phones out there right now. So if this one has to take on that phone, it needs to show some mettle. So this was the Realme 1. It has a very good finish. It's called the diamond finish that we've seen last in the Oppo F7, where the glass has been cut and placed in such a way that the light reflects on it in a very attractive manner. It gives a very good finish. It's not seen before in a smartphone, and you get everything. There's the volume rockers, the lock screen, you get the speaker grills down below. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB port out here. And other than that, it's a pretty basic looking smartphone. It's pretty minimalist but with a good premium finish. So I think we are ready to go to the phone, right? So this has Android 8 inside with ColorOS 5.1. And there are a lot of nifty features that we're going to explore in depth in our review. But for now, this is the Realme 1. And yeah, it's going to be exclusively available on Amazon.in. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. This is Shubhajit from Digit.in. For more videos like this, you can always subscribe to Digit.in and stay tuned.